Welcome to our tutorial about the custom error page. First, let's generate an error and then see what it looks like. Right-click, View in Browser. Oh, I should have turned off the tracing, but actually this will work out better so we can see how the error will look in our tracing message. Let's enter some text in this text box that the program won't be able to turn into an integer, thus generating an error. When we click Result, we get our error. Let's refresh it. Let's scroll down to view the details of our error. And our answer, conversion from string ERT to type integer is not valid. Here we also see detailed information about where the error occurred. Line 8 inside a click event procedure. That Visual Studio makes this information available to us is great, and it's very nice for the web server to display it so neatly. However, when your web application is live, you might not want your customer to see these details or this page, since they can't do anything about it anyway. Let's begin by disabling tracing. Now let's add a new item. We'll add a regular HTML page. Let's call it Error. Click Add. In the body of the page, let's enter a couple breaks. We'll also enter a header. Let's call it Error Text. Now we can preview it in Design View. The page looks fine. Let's go ahead and activate it. We're back to the website's administrative tool. Application. Define default error page. Here I'm going to select Specify a URL to use as the default error page. We'll select the page I just created and click Save. OK. Let's go to the Debug menu, Start Without Debugging. And once again, let's create an error. Retry. We still see the same error page. Let's go to the configuration file. That's where the changes are made in XML format. I'm going to type mode equals on. The syntax here is case sensitive. Mode needs to start with an uppercase M. As you see, our options are on, off, and remote only. Remote only is for remote users, those users who don't work on the same box where the server's running. This lets them see the custom error message. Let's click Save. And let's go back to our page and try again. And here is our custom error page. And this concludes our tutorial about the custom error page.